Welcome to another edition of Behind the Signal. Today we continue our journey across Guyana, taking you behind the transmission network that powers the Guyana Learning Channel and EdyouFM. From K2 Region 8, where we successfully wrapped up critical maintenance work on the transmission network, our journey now takes us to Bartica, Region 7, where our team is responding to a different challenge. After being struck by lightning, this transmission station has been off the air for some time. Today, our technical team is carrying out critical repairs and maintenance to restore the signal and resume service to communities across the region. And I'm here with the Bartica site manager, Devon Bacchus. Go ahead and tell us about your role here.
I'm here to make sure that the channel, the radio station is up and running. Make sure that persons are hearing us loud and clear in the riverine communities, and our signal is reaching as far as possible.
Devon, tell us about some of the challenges you face here at this site.
When it comes to weather condition, we face a period between December, I think, to February where we get cloud coverage, meaning that the satellite is be blocked.
Yeah.
So certain times of the night or the day, the station might go off here, whereby that is beyond our control.
Devon, this site was down for quite some time due to lightning struck the tower. What does this mean to you that today the site will be fixed and up and running?
We are happy that the station is back up and running. A lot of listeners have been asking questions, making sure that they've been questioning me along the road, asking me what is wrong with 99.9 FM, because they have been entertained, right? They listen to news, the riverine communities. I mean, radio is a part of connecting communities, and I'm happy about it, very happy about it.
And I'm here with the technical consultant, Mike Ford. Mike, walk us through the challenges and the steps you've been taking to address and fix this site here today.
The systems went down because of a lightning strike, which damaged a lot of the transmitting equipment. The challenges we have had to fix that was to obtain spares from the US. What we've done here this trip is to replace some of the equipment. Like for the FM, our FM here is, the site is normally operated with a 3,000 watt transmitter. But just to get the system back on air, whilst the 3,000 watt is being refurbished, we put in a 500 watt.
Okay.
We've completely replaced the digital TV transmitter. So that's back up to normal.
So today we can safely say that the radio, EdyouFM, and the Guyana Learning Channel is back up in Bartica.
Definitely. As far as the residents of Bartica is concerned, they will see no difference from what they had before.
All right, tell us some of the villages and communities this site here covers.
In terms of FM, let's say FM will give you a radius of approximately 30 miles. TV definitely Bartica. The environs like Goshen and Lanabali, even Winniperu, those places will receive TV. Itabali, Tipiru, those areas will receive the TV very well. All along the Isano Road, 1 mile, 5 mile, all those places where they have new communities, those will also receive the TV signal.
Great. Mike, this site was done primarily because of lightning striking the tower. With us back on here today, you put any system in place to prevent this from reoccurring?
I'm recommending a system that we need to put in place. The reason why this site has notorious issues with lightning. I'm talking about for decades. From since this site was established by GTC back in the 60s to now, it's already had less issues with lightning. The reason for that is that the soil conductivity up here is very, very high.
Okay.
Right? Well, low in the sense of it has high resistance. There's almost no conductivity in the soil. So when you try to ground something, it doesn't really get grounded.
Okay.
Right? The solution to that is a chemical ground. There are some chemical situations that you could provide that will provide something similar to a good ground, and it has to be replenished. You can't completely prevent lightning, but you can minimize the opportunity for you to get a lightning strike by putting what's called a lightning arrestor, which is just carrying the ground to the top of the tower. So I'm doing the design and I'll do the proposal for us to do our own chemical ground. We intend to do an improvement very shortly on the FM.
Okay. So there's a lot of work going into having this site up and running.
Yeah, it is.
All year round.
All year round.
I'm Neville Gillett, and I'm the resident of Bartica here, and it's a wonderful place, and I think most persons who come here will enjoy Bartica.
Boy, I am enjoying it as well.
All right.
So, Mr. Neville, tell us, you look at the Guyana Learning Channel and listen to EdyouFM radio?
Yeah, many a times.
So what's your thoughts? Because the EdyouFM been down for quite some time due to lightning hitting the tower.
Yeah.
Now today we will be back on air. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, that would be good because it's very informative, you know. Yeah, because many a times, especially for those guys who are in the interior and most places where they do not get internet, they sat and they listen, and you know, many times we look forward for information on the radio. Radio is still the going thing.
I'm Norlin Jones Gillett. Well, for me, it will be great because it will reach children in the education sector. Great, because remember, we are in a learning stage presently.
My name is Jennifer Nelson. I live at Carby's Hill. It's very important to have the radio and TV connection in Bartica, especially for the young children. Especially how schools would be closed right now. They can get a lot of educational program to listen to and to look at. And it would be very nice that, you know, they can learn a lot from the radio and the TV.
I'm Beverly Diamel, and I think the radio channel would do a great lot for the children who are out of school right now on holiday for the 2 months. They would get to learn a lot. And even to the parents, they would sit as a family and listen to the channel. You know, they would socialize with the family and, you know, get to share ideas with what they don't know. They would ask the mother. The mother would even ask them, because we learn from the children sometimes now too. You understand? So I think it would do a great for Bartica.
Well, they have favorite shows, but one of the things we normally would look at announcements, because in the bush, you know, we look for announcements, and there are certain other informative things that, for instance, especially like gold, and then maybe there are accidents and certain things, and all kinds of things. It's very informative, and that's why radio is very good.
And you're happy that this will be back up today?
Yeah, of course, because many times when we go there, we don't get it, so we got to tune in, and then, you know, this fine-tuning to get other radio station, and which this one was very good to us. It had strong signals.
I don't have a radio, but you would make me now go and see if I could purchase a radio.
I'm happy.
I will do that.
Well, I'm saying that we need to have a radio station here because we can see Bartica is a very growing city, and besides that, it's tourism, and then we need those things in Bartica.
Thanks very much about fixing back the radio station, and that the kids will be able to get to learn something important from it. That's all I want to say. Thank you.
Fixing this site in Bartica just shows how much work goes in to keeping the classroom and communities connected. Every single tower matters when it comes to education. That's why our mission doesn't stop here. Join us next time on Behind the Signal as we head toward next region.
EdyouFM, the home of family edutainment.